Alrighty, we did some work on the 280Z. We installed horns and got actual working horns in the car. When I got the car, there was just a couple wires dangling down below. So yeah, now we've got our JDM spec, our proud horns from Mitsoba. I got these from Japan store in Vietnam. So they're 99% chance they're legit horns. For whatever reason, every time I go there, I seem to come back with JDM horns. But yeah, these are them. Stylish and compact. Proud horn. Brand products are the crystallization of the Mitsuba's creative technology and the know-how accumulated during many years. So, you can trust that comes with all these instructions. I like that it's Japanese first, then English second. But yeah, there you go. We installed them, and the number 3 and Juju as that, but with 2 horns. The second issue we had, this being a Tofu Drags build, is that everything just looks like it should be nice and OEM, but as you can see behind here, our horn button is wrapped in place. Due to the reason... Oh fuck, left the ignition on. That was a boneheaded move. Well, it being an old car, the ignition's all funkered. So, whoops. Well, we'll see how much amp draw the Mega Squirt and the power steering drags when it's not on. We're still at 12 volts. We might be good enough to still start the car and charge it. But, yeah. This is just strapped on. So, obviously we can't hit any sort of horn. The button doesn't exist. And I don't want to get rid of this because this looks nice. It fits the part that's black on black with black. So, we have multiple shades of black that all go together. So, I took kind of a page from the Capri. And we just ran the wire that's in there to a ring terminal, and then ran it back to another little just piece of steel inside the column. And now we've just got a push button for the horn. This is very much like a Capri or early Mustang. It really lets you be a complete dickhead with it. This is actually a button out of one of the Universal windshield washer kits that I never use this. It's very similar to like a line lock switch depending on the quality of kit you buy, because it's just a momentary switch. Don't worry about the amp drop because it goes through a relay, as the amp draw on a horn is much more than you would imagine unless you know about horns. But nevertheless, that's one thing knocked off the list. And we're gonna get plates on this car, so we no longer have to worry about getting it day permitted. We're just gonna roll the dice on it being completely drivable and go from there. But yeah, any questions, comments, put them down below. Other than that, we got horns. We got a running car, and smell you later.